on this current juncture, what are the funds can suggest from your asset management company? See, obviously, right? So you have a lot of segments starting from large cap to up to balance advantage fund and debt funds. So what would be the portfolio allocation for in your fund house, sir?
So Gopinathan, this is like a question coming to a parent and asking that you have about 20 children, which children you love the most, But in schemes aspect, what I will say, every scheme that we launched has an objective. So, for example, the debt funds, they are maybe for parking space. Somebody needs invest for about 2, 3, 5, 6 months, 1 year. So we have those funds which do not take risk of the equity markets. Then we have hybrid fund. Next level is we have hybrid funds, which is a mix of equity debt, where the risk and returns are moderate, right? And then we have equity funds. Within equity funds, we will have everything in our boutique, from large cap, large mid cap, small cap, focus funds. We have for tax saving, we have ELSS fund, right? And then we have flexi cap fund, where the fund manager takes a call how much to allocate in large, mid, small cap, depending upon the valuations and the future growth aspects. And to still answer your question, in the current context, what we feel is invest in small mid cap, but come with a time horizon. That time horizon you referred to us earlier also, I will say at least 3-5 years, right? So it is not that something will happen immediately, but we have to take a risk return kind of a call. And in the current market, if you are coming with a time horizon up to 3 years, look at flexi cap fund, look at focus funds, look at multi cap funds. Reason being, it is the money in these funds are distributed across small, mid, large caps. So automatically, the fund manager can also take a call, like in flexi cap, they can move. We are, as I talk to you, we are about 1/3 in small mid cap and 2/3 in large cap in a flexi cap fund. But in a multi cap fund, we are about 40% large cap, 60% small mid cap. So all options are available. Only in current context, because of the this Middle East issues that have come up, because of the election results which will happen very soon. So we would suggest to be more towards focus fund, flexi cap fund, and multi cap fund. But if you're coming with 3-5 years, if you're coming to do SIP with me 5-10 years perpetual, you stagger your money across all categories.
Sir, actually, it's a valuable point what you said, and also I have impressed the way your fund houses are doing nowadays. So you will be always features among top funds, and you will be always in the top 5 among the category. And similarly, you are innovative, especially for the freedom SIPs. So that are more inspiring for the investors. So how your team has to be creating this kind of a content, and similarly how their people are working to be always featured in the top 5, sir?
So Gopinathan, there is a process that has been put. The process comes with experience. So we at Mahindra Manulife is a company which is more than 130 years in existence in the financial markets. So one of the objectives of doing the joint venture by Mahindra with Manulife, or simply put, the objective of doing a joint venture was to get the global expertise and the time experience of somebody to help us manage our funds well. So today there's a process set. It's an institutionalized process. Yes, fund managers have to take an individual call, but there are risk measures which are put in place. So what I will say is that yes, our endeavor will be to deliver good returns. Our endeavor will be to deliver returns in line with the risk in the market. The fund manager's job is to have a future-looking view and take a position. So yes, today the funds are in the top quartile; they are doing very well. But our endeavor will be to do better than index, right? Because it's very difficult to put a position against peer group. But our endeavor will also be to take care of the money of the investors in line with market risk and to be as much consistent as possible.
Thank you, sir. Sir, and really thank you for your valuable time, sir.
My pleasure,
Uh,
Abhinathan. Thank you
and
for having
also,
me.
I am very happy to be part of this interview. And thank you very much for that, sir.
My pleasure.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much.